Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be introducing you to Optifast, a powerful and easy to use system optimization tool for Windows. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or just someone who wants to get the most out of their computer, Optifast has something for everyone. Let's start by taking a look at the home section. So over here we'll have the system information. That could be useful of course at any time. Then we'll have an easy way to track our progression regarding the optimization. And one of the coolest features of Optifast is the ability to choose from predefined optimization profiles. So if you're a gamer, you can right away select the gaming profile, which automatically configures the tweaks and settings for optimal gaming performance. And alternatively, if you want to if you're using your computer primarily for work or productivity, the work profile is tailored to enhance your overall system responsiveness and efficiency. So these profiles are really time savers, if I put it that way. And on the left hand side we have our menu, where we can see the different tabs for each section. And right away we spot our favorite section of the menu, which is the tweaks section. So let's dive into it. Here you'll have a comprehensive list of tweaks that you can enable or disable with just a few clicks. These tweaks cover a wide range of areas, from power savings, features, and system latency, to mouse optimization and telemetry control. So there's really a wide covered area. So let's put it to the test. Let's say I would like to disable the first one. I would like to keep my power saving features. I would like to enable the exclusive full screen for less latency. I would like my system latency to be improved, yes. And I would also like to disable the Windows update, because they can revert some tweaks, so be careful with that. Okay, everything else looks good over here. Okay, so after making your selection of tweaks, you'll just have to head to the optimize button, and after clicking on it, we'll be met with two lists. The first one being the list of tweaks that will be applied, and the second one will be the tweaks that will be reverted. So that meets our selection. And after making sure that everything is right, you can either cancel if there's something that you would like to adjust, or just confirm your selection, and then all you'll have to do is just to wait a little bit for everything to be applied. And there you go. You'll be asked to restart your computer so that everything changes correctly. But for the sake of the video, I'm not going to restart right now, so restart later. And if we keep scrolling towards the bottom, we'll have some advanced tweaks, and Optifast also gives you control over a hand-picked list of Windows services that are safe and beneficial to disable regarding the system latency and the system performance. So you can browse this list, and if you would like to know more about the names that the services stand for, you can head over the guide section, where you can find more information about the services and their correct name and their represented name. So over here, if you don't really understand or get how this button works, you can just click on how it works, and it will tell you. So enable, clicking on enable will only enable the unchecked services, and the disable button will only disable the checked services. So it is a pretty straightforward function. And on the right side, we'll have one task so far. We'll be adding more tasks in the future. This is an automated task, so it will be deleting the temporary files at a specific time of a day, so you won't have to do it manually anymore, and it will be done automatically. And for the third section, we have our game tweaks. So they are just specific tweaks for specific games and specific changes. It's very specific. For the moment, we only have Valorant available. We'll be adding more in the future, of course, and we'll be regularly doing updates for the software. For the next section, we have the reverting tweaks. One of the great things about Optifast is that it's fully reversible. So if you want to ever revert the changes that you've made, simply head over to the revert tweaks section and click on the appropriate button. It's that easy. And it's same for the tweaks over here. So you just have to disable them and then click on optimize, and it will only optimize, it will only apply the selected tweaks, the selected tweaks, and it will revert the unselected ones. So it is a pretty straightforward action. Additionally, Optifast includes a range of features fixes for common issues like Bluetooth, printer, and Microsoft Store problems. These fixes are in beta, but they can be a lifesaver if you're experiencing any of these issues. For our next section, we'll have the NVIDIA updates. For NVIDIA GPU users, Optifast offers a convenient way to update your drivers and apply optimized settings with just a few clicks. You can even access the NVIDIA folder directly from within the app. And finally, Optifast includes a report book system where you can write us if you have a persistent bug or maybe an issue that you're having within the software. So all you have to do is to head over here, select the appropriate topic of the issue, and write down your email and a very detailed description of the situation that you're having. And if you have a suggestion, perhaps, to improve our software or a feature that you would like us to add, then all you have to do is to select the I have an idea to improve the software, and again write down your email and write down the details for the idea. And that was it. That was Optifast, and I hope you'll enjoy your gaming experience and work experience and productivity with our software. Thank you so much.